I went to an oral surgeon.
My facial surgeon did a great job.
I had to see an oral and facial surgeon.
My dentist sent me to an oral and maximal.
Maximus.
Maximus.
An oral and maxilliosurgeon, or something like that.
Officially, we're called oral and maxillofacial surgeons, and we're the experts in face, mouth, and jaw surgery. Members of the American Association of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeons are trained and experienced in all these treatment areas. Our work saves lives, changes lives, and makes lives better.
I'm not sure what to call him exactly. I just know he did a great job with my dental implants.
She cured my sleep apnea.
He fixed my recessive jaw.
Diagnosed my oral cancer in time to beat it.
Took out my impacted wisdom teeth.
What you call us isn't really important, but when you're concerned about health issues related to your face, mouth, or jaw, just make sure you call us.
Why does everyone have such a hard time saying oral and maxillofacial surgeon? Really?